হাই গাইজ এন্ড ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু এ নিউ ভিডিও। আজকে রিভিউ করবো বইটাতে গেল এই বইটার দ্য লিটল প্রিন্স। না, এই বইটা আমি অনেক দিন আগে পড়েছিলাম, তোমাদের বলেও ছিলাম ইনফ্যাক্ট, বাট এই বইটা রিভিউ করা হয়ে ওঠেনি। অ্যান্ড অ্যাকচুয়ালি দেয়ার ইজ আ লট টু সে অ্যাবাউট দিস বুক। সো yeah, let's start the video. Let's roll in the intro.
Pikachu?
So, The Little Prince. The Little Prince is a book written by, I don't know, Anthony de Saint-Exupéry, whoever the writer is. I don't know him that well. But yeah, actually, like, reading the book doesn't mean that you should know the writer or whatever, you know. So yeah, this is a fairly small book, very small book rather. It's just this. Understand, this is a very small book. And it has big fonts. It has big fonts. But this book is really nice book. Why do I say that? Let's see what this book speaks of. This book speaks of innocence and experience, the way a child sees the world and the way elders see a world. There are many things which I loved about this book, so I'll be covering them point by point. And if I need to rate this book, I would give a 4 out of 5. First, the sweet way in which this book is written. The sweet way, like, why do I mean by sweet way? The prince is very sweet, of course. He's cute, he does some innocence that we all can relate to. He's sometimes mischief, sometimes he's drawings, he's everything. Just you have felt it at some point of time. You will feel damn relatable. So 1 point for the simple writing. Second, for a small book with this lovely cover and some images. There are a lot of images like this on the book all over. Though they are not colored, but it's okay. Like, seeing images, being a book in big, like reading in bigger classes, I almost forgot the taste, how the pictures feels, not of those chemicals and everything. I mean real pictures and key parts. Like, please, this is wonderful. Okay. So these goes 2 points. Second, a very short book. It has only 120 pages. Fourth point, it's cheap and available most of the times. I bought this book, though it's written, what's its MRP? Like, let me see its MRP. It's not printed, I think. Yeah, it's not printed over here, or I can't. No, it's 125 rupees that's printed, but I got it for 79 rupees with I got it for 79 rupees or 80 rupees. It's 79 to 80 rupees. It's most of the times it's available on a sale. So yeah. Now let me see the things that I like in writing which I liked. First thing was the character development of the prince. There is a good character development of a prince. So you can consider 4.5, and that 0.5 for the good character development of the prince. Similarly, the author sometimes, like, when he's speaking to the prince, he's finding his childhood. Whereas when he's speaking to him, like when he has a crashed aeroplane, okay, and when he's repairing that aeroplane, when the prince says something, he's also being an elder and telling him not to tell things while he was doing the work. So he's elder as well as a child. For like, the reactions that he gives is mixed, which actually happens to us. Suddenly, if it's something that triggers us, we become, like, that child inside of us comes out, splashes out. And sometimes we also should know that child, like, it's time you need to resist that child of yours. Like, you're in a childhood, not your child. So yeah, this is a pretty enjoyable read. Of course, this is a pretty enjoyable read. And the ending is something that I'll remember, because when you grow older, I'm just giving hints, not giving the actual spoiler. When you grow older, you understand people are more sort of snakes that bite. Like, there are people who just like they give false promises. They say half truth, like Macbeth's witches. They say you the half truth. Sometimes you fall in their trap. Sometimes people be toxic to you. And the way it is portrayed in the end of the story really deserves an applause. Really is deserves an apology. Sorry, what? Applause. Sorry, applause. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Applause. So yeah, actually this book is very nice. This book actually deserves an applause. So yeah, that's it. Tell me in the comments which book should I review next. And many of you are asking that what I am reading currently. So I am reading. Wait a minute. I am reading this book. This is a pretty fat one. Angels and Demons, but very fast paced. Believe me, very fast paced. And this is my bookmark, which I showed on my WhatsApp status. This one. And this one is developed by made or gifted to me by my sister. So a huge shout out to her, because I was lagging of bookmarks. I needed bookmarks. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe this channel for more bookish content, and also some contents related to films and web series, which I am thinking of to make again, because at first when I made my channel didn't have that much fan base, but now it's a bit more. So yeah, keep supporting our channel like this until we meet in the next video. So bye for now. Bye.